is a Portuguese professional footballer who plays as a forward for Italian club Juventus and captains the Portugal national team. He has an estimated net worth of $450 million in India, 3,104 crore rupees, and he is the owner of expensive and luxury cars. Let's take a deep look into it. Number 1. McLaren Senna. The cost of the car is $1 million. Till now the car is not launched in India, but estimated cost of the car is 7 crore rupees. The car can reach to the top speed of 321 km per hour and 0 to 100 in 2.7 seconds. Number 2. Rolls-Royce Cullinan. The cost of the car is $345,000. In India, 6.95 crore rupees. The car can reach to the top speed of 249 km per hour and 0 to 100 in 6.7 seconds. Number 3. Bugatti Chiron. The most expensive car in the garage of Cristiano Ronaldo. The cost of the car is $3.26 million. In India, 19.21 crore rupees. The car can reach to the top speed of 420 km per hour and 0 to 100 in 2.4 seconds. Number 4. Mercedes GLE 63S AMG Coupe. The cost of the car is $214,000. In India, 1 crore rupees. The car can reach to the top speed of 250 km per hour and 0 to 100 in 4.2 seconds. Number 5. Bugatti Veyron. The cost of the car is $1.7 million. In India, 12.52 crore rupees. The car can reach to the top speed of 431 km per hour and 0 to 100 in 2.6 seconds. Number 6. Rolls-Royce Phantom. The cost of the car is $450,000. In India, 9.5 crore rupees. The car can reach to the top speed of 240 km per hour and 0 to 100 in 5.8 seconds. Number 7. Lamborghini Aventador. Cristiano Ronaldo owns two, one in black color and one in white color. The cost of the car is $393,000. In India, 5.01 crore rupees. The car can reach to the top speed of 349 km per hour and 0 to 100 in 3 seconds. Number 8. McLaren MP4 12C. The cost of the car is $250,000. In India, 1.22 crore rupees. The car can reach to the top speed of 346 km per hour and 0 to 100 in 3.1 seconds. Number 9. Ferrari F12 TDF. The cost of the car is $450,000. In India, 4.71 crore rupees. The car can reach to the top speed of 340 km per hour and 0 to 100 in 3.1 seconds. Number 10. Porsche 911 Turbo. The cost of the car is $190,000. In India, 1.42 crore rupees. The car can reach to the top speed of 319 km per hour and 0 to 100 in 2.9 seconds. Number 11. Chevrolet Camaro ZL1 Convertible. The cost of the car is $67,000. In India, 50 lakh rupees. The car can reach to the top speed of 318 km per hour and 0 to 100 in 3.5 seconds. Number 12. Porsche Panamera. The cost of the car is $102,900. In India, 1.82 crore rupees. The car can reach to the top speed of 261 km per hour and 0 to 100 in 4.5 seconds. And there is a myth about Cristiano Ronaldo that he owns the most expensive Bugatti La Vautour. It is absolutely wrong. Cristiano Ronaldo does not own this car. Still, who is the owner of the car is a mystery. And guys, today's video like target is 1500 likes, so please click the like button.